rash refers to a type of injury that occurs when a person's skin comes into contact with a rough surface of a road or pavement during an accident. The rough surface of the road often contains dirt, debris, bacteria, and all this increases the risk of infection in a road rash wound. And this can affect the injured person's quality of life and require ongoing medical attention. I'm Georgia Accident Attorney George McCranie. I have offices in Valdosta, Tifton, and Douglas, Georgia. And for over 25 years, my firm has fought for and protected thousands of people and their families that desperately needed our help after an accident, whether it was on the highway or even at work. Now, today I wanted to answer a viewer's question, Lon from Berrien County, and that's in Georgia. And he asked, can you explain what road rash is and why it's a serious injury after an accident? And well, Lon, I sure can answer that question. And we usually see road rash injuries after motorcycle accidents, but they can also happen in car crashes and even on bicycles. Now, road rash refers to a type of injury that occurs when a person's skin comes into contact with a rough surface of a road or pavement during an accident. Now, like I said, we normally see road rash injuries in a motorcycle or a bicycle crash, but it can also easily happen in a car crash. And we've seen that where people have been down, when the window was broken out and the car's moving or sliding, and they get a significant road rash that way. Now, road rash is characterized by abrasions and scrapes and cuts on the skin with extreme pain, bleeding, bruising, and swelling. And road rash is considered a really bad injury for several reasons. First, the severity. Road rash can range from minor abrasions to deep, large wounds that penetrate multiple layers of the skin. And in severe cases, it might require emergency medical treatment such as stitches and even skin grafts to promote healing and prevent infection. The second thing, infection risks. The rough surface of the road often contains dirt, debris, bacteria, and all this increases the risk of infection in a road rash wound. Now, if not properly cleaned and treated, these wounds can become infected, leading to complications and a prolonged healing process. And take it from me, you don't want to deal with a MRSA infection. We've seen folks that fought MRSA for months, even into over a year. So that's very important. Third thing is scarring. Road rash injuries can result in terrible scarring, especially when the wounds are deep and extensive. Scarring can be permanent and may require additional medical procedures or multiple cosmetic surgeries to improve the appearance. And fourth, pain and discomfort. Road rash injuries can be extremely painful, causing discomfort and hindering a person's mobility. And depending on the severity and the location of the injury, day-to-day activities like walking or bathing or even going to the bathroom may become extremely painful and require a significant amount of time to recover. Fifth thing, number 5, long-term impact. In some cases, road rash injuries can have a long-term consequence, such as nerve damage, reduced sensation in the area affected, or chronic pain that can occur. And this can affect the injured person's quality of life and require ongoing medical attention. Now, to minimize the risk of road rash injuries, it's important to wear appropriate protective gear, such as helmets, gloves, durable clothing, and that's while you're, riding your bike or riding a motorcycle. Defensive driving, obeying traffic rules, and being aware of surroundings can also help prevent accidents that lead to road rash injuries. If you've got any questions about road rash or you got an ongoing case and a situation that you might need help with, feel free to give us a call. Again, I'm attorney George McCranie. We have offices in Tifton, Douglas, and Valdosta, Georgia. If you've got any questions, just let us know in the comments. We'll be glad to help you.